So, in a rare occurrence, Nottingham has been snowing, which is crazy, and it's like really fluffy and really thick, really deep. So what I thought I might do today is give you some tips on how to do photography in the snow. See you in a bit. Okay, so first step, make sure you're all warm. At the moment I've got like 5 layers on. I bought this hat and I bought these gloves. You want to make sure your fingers are not frozen over. So make sure you got some gloves, preferably some windproof ones, and keep your hands nice and warm. Okay, so my second tip is to make sure your subject is not wearing white. So obviously you want to make sure that your subject is in contrast. So get it to either wear black or something that's not white, something quite dark. Okay, so my third tip is to make sure you overexpose your pictures, because if you underexpose, the snow is going to look a little bit grey. If you overexpose, it's going to keep that white look. So that's my third and final tip. I hope you liked my videos. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye!